The cube has been prepared to demonstrate the forming of the T-shape and the finalization of the cage. The bottom white cross is in place and the belt has been built except for the last piece. Also the yellow pieces are in this special form that there is one on the top and two yellow pieces on the opposite side. Now when I do the edge move sequence, these three yellow plates will maintain their orientation. The pieces will switch the places. Now there is still one on top and two on the other side. I can also do the same sequence mirrored, and the pieces will still maintain their orientation. So in order to complete the T-shape, I need to first do the other end of the T-shape. So there is now one ready, and then I will do the other two, put the other two in place. So now the T-shape is ready. I will now take advantage of this orientation keeping of the edge pieces, and I will take the last yellow piece and move it to the top. So now I have these two will maintain their orientation, as well as these two. So the T-shape will be intact. So now I will start to check the order of the yellow pieces. The first one is the orange one, second one should be green, and the third one should not be red. Okay, so orange is there. Now I should have green and not red. So there is now orange, blue, green. Let's do it again. So now I have orange, green and red. Now this is a problem because this last one should not match. So what I will do, I will change the order of the first two. So now I have blue, orange, and in this case not green. I will now change the places of the remaining three pieces. So that the belt is now complete, the yellow cross is now complete, and the bottom white cross is now complete. I will now need to just rotate the yellow cross to complete the rest of the crosses and completing the cage. This cube has been prepared for a quite typical endgame problem. I have moved all of the other corner pieces in place except for the last three ones. You always need to have three corner pieces not in place for the end game. So for example, in this case I would move the orange piece from this corner over here, and the red face would be on this corner. So if I look at the red side, then this piece needs to be on this place, the blue face up. So I need to turn the cube, or prepare the cube for the move sequence, so that when this one arrives here, it will be on the red side top, and this piece will then flip over here on the orange side on top. So I will now do the corner move sequence, and now the cube is solved when I undo the move sequence I did before the final corner move sequence. This is another endgame problem. Now I would move this piece into here, which will flip the green on top of here. Now on the green side this is blue, so I need to rotate this corner to be blue on top. It is done by this sequence. So now the cube is prepared. I'll move this one over here, the green one over there, and the white one will complete the cube. Now I will need to undo the preparation, and the cube is now finished.